Infinity Ahzee, taking action to develop the students.
Today, in my question paper, there's a question that video test, and in this video test, I would love to talk about my country. My country name is Bangladesh, and it is a small country in Asia continent. And my Bangladesh is a riverine country, and it is evergreen country. And I love Bangladesh very much. In Bangladesh, there are many people. The land area of Bangladesh is 1,47,570 square kilometers, but it's so few. But it has a large number of population. There are 16 crore people in Bangladesh, but I hope that people are increasing day by day. I hope that there are 12 crore people live in Bangladesh nowadays. And Bangladesh is famous for its rice, and it was famous for till now. It is not famous for now. It was famous for golden fiber. It was famous for golden fiber. And Bangladesh is a riverine country. I have explained that. Bangladesh, there are 1,300 rivers in Bangladesh, and among them Padma, Meghna, Jamuna, Brahmaputra are the main rivers. And Bangladesh is famous for fish, and Bangladeshi people's traditional food is fish and rice. And the Bangladeshi traditional wedding is Pahela Boishakh, that's called Bengali New Year. And Bangladeshi peoples are not well educated. For that, there are many drawbacks in our country. Among them, the sensitization problem, population control problem, and the lackness of doctor. It is the main. I thought that it is the main drawback of our country. One of the main drawbacks. People cannot there much. Cannot get much treatment because there are very lackness of doctor. Like per 1,000 head, there are only one doctor. Only one doctor cannot treat them. So I want to be a doctor in my future and serve them free treatment. And Bangladesh have many drawbacks like illiteracy problem. It is the main drawback of our country. So I would tell to my government to serve them primary education and establish some rules. And I am discussing about my Bangladeshi places. Bangladesh, there are 8 divisions, and the largest division of Bangladesh, Chattogram division, and there are many tourist spots in my country. There are no lackness of tourist sport in my country. Bangladesh is evergreen country. Every year, many tourists come here to see Bangladeshi beauty, and among them, Cox's Bazar, the largest sea beach in the world. It is about 29 kilometer long, and hilly tracks are in Khairachori and Chittagong and Shajik Valley, etc. etc. And the roads are not well. The roads condition are not well. In our Bangladesh, the roads are very narrow. So tourists come here and become sad how worst roads are there. But some roads are very wide. I'm talking about narrow roads. Narrow roads are very narrow, and the road conditions are not so good. So many accidents held, and Bangladeshi drivers are not well educated, or that they have no license, but they are driving car. They have no problem for this. So our government should establish some traffic rules against them, and take action, hard action against them. And I'm talking about my district. I live in Sherpur district in Bangladesh, and it is in Mymensingh division. My district is named after the name of Sherali Gazi, and there are many tourist spots in my district, and they are Motitila, Ghazni, there are hilly tracks, hilly parts, and Sherpur has a land port called Nakugao. It is a thing of pride for us. And Sherpur is famous for its rice and a sweet called chana paish. It's very famous in Sherpur, and there are many famous personalities in Sherpur like Atikur Rahman Atik and Robin Yogi, Sherali Gazi, etc. And I love my district and I love my country.